I'm Corey from the Forward Giving team. Today I'm going to show you how an admin allows team members to self-enroll. And we're going to go through the settings to properly set that up to allow team members to self-enroll. What you're seeing on the screen is a particular campaign of a men's basketball team, and I am the admin of that particular campaign. So I'll show you the steps needed to allow the functionality for team members to self-enroll. In the dashboard, you'll see a section called Team. You click on the team, and by default, when the campaigns are set up, the team functionality is disabled. And we're going to want to enable that functionality. So click on Settings and toggle on Allow Team Fundraising. And the second option here is Allow Members to Self-Enroll. And that should be toggled on as well. And what that does is it allows and puts on the campaign page a button to say Join the Team. We click Save. And we see we have the option to invite members. We click on Add a Team Member, and all you have to do now as a campaign admin is copy this link and send that out to your prospective team members, and they can join.